Welcome to Joogital Academy. So, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. In this video, we are going to be learning how we came up with this. So, we are going to be learning how we came up with this text effect. So, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. So, without wasting much of our time, let's jump into today's video. So guys, when you come back to your Pixellab application, so here we are going to be importing the color palette first. So I will be importing the color palette first. Sorry. So coming please. So here is the color palette. I'll be importing the color palette here. So let's import the color palette. Let it be above our screen. So we enter text here. So you can enter your preferred text. So as for me, I'll be entering Joogital. So here, okay. So I'll be increasing this size a little bit, and I will choose my font. So for this text effect, I will be using the Refik free comic board font here, Refik free bold font. As you can see, this is the font here. So I'm going to be spacing it a little bit here. And that's enough. So as you can see, you centralize, you come over to here, you copy, as you can see, and you hide one. So copy then hide. You can see. So here we are going to be entering the color. So we'll be entering the gradient. So let's choose a gradient here. So as you can see, so come over to this place and use our color picker. So let's use the color picker please. So I'm coming. We'll be using the color picker. So you click here. You can see this is the color picker. So here you select here. So select this for this, and also the second select here inside the color palette and select here. So here I think we are good to do. So here, yeah. So let's come over to inner shadow. Let's add inner shadow. Reduce the blur radius. Inner shadow will be white. Reduce blur radius to 1, I think, or 2. Yeah, I think 2 is enough. So coming. So this we're going for a shadow and the opacity. So the offsets, as you can see. So we're going to be going for this. So here I think we are good to go. Yeah. So we're good to go. I think we need to increase the inner shadow, the blur radius for the inner shadow. And let's move it this way. So I think I'm coming. So we're good to go. Yeah. So let's come back to this place, and here you can see. So I'm positioning it in the center here. So we move on and move this to the back. So let's come over to this place, and we're gonna stroke it with, so increase the stroke. So increase the stroke and centralize. So as you can see, centralize. So color. I'm going to give it a black color. So I'm coming a shape. So the shape also be black. So let's come back to this place. So here. I'm going to be moving this to the back, so you can see. So let's enter the color here. So you select a gradient. So we use our color picker again. So you can see. So here is our color picker. We're going to be picking from our blue here, this and this. We are going to be picking this blue here. As you can see, so that's it. So I'm going to be increasing the color is okay. I think the color is okay. So let's go over to shadow. So let's add a shadow, reduce the blur radius, offsets and offsets. Sorry, I think it's a little bit okay. Let's come over to this place. So over to this, we're going to be changing the stroke to stroke it a little bit. No, come on, the shadow. I'm going to be entering a color, and let's use this color for the shadow. Yeah, so I think the offsets, it's okay this way. So I think we are good to go. So let's merge this together. I think we are good to go. So let's come back to this, and we add the 3D shape coming. So let's use the oblique. I'm coming. This, so the depth, I'm going to be decreasing the depth to I think 2 or 3. Just 2 or 3. So I think 2 is better. And the darkening, let's increase it a little bit. So you move this, as you can see, move this here. I think it's better that way. So I think it's better that way. So come back to our background. So let's pick color for our background, gradients here. So I'm going to be picking here. Pick the first color. As for our gradient here, we're going to pick in here, pick this. So our second color, I'm going to be picking this. So let's go back to this place. I think we need to increase this. So let's see guys. I think we are good to go. So guys, let's come over to this place and let's merge here and here. Sorry. So let's merge here and here together. So come over to this place. So you hide this. So you can come over and add. Let's add a shadow a little bit. I think you need to add a shadow and reduce the blur radius, the offsets. So let's bring it here, and the Y set, let's come below a little bit, I think 6. Okay, so that's how to create this text effect. So kindly create yours and send it to the assignment group. So meet you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Meet you in the next video.